Tiny Tales TV. Yay! Let's learn about fruits. Banana soft and yummy. Blueberry tiny and tasty. Mango, the king of fruits. Orange, full of vitamin C. Grapes, tiny and tasty. Strawberry, red and juicy. Watermelon, cool and refreshing. Pineapple, spiky outside, sweet inside. Cherry, small and fun. Lemon, sour but healthy. Peach, soft and sweet. Apple, red and sweet. Yummy, amy and juicy. Yay! Fruits are fun and healthy. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Tiny Tales TV. Subscribe, like, and share.